Okay, well, welcome back for the 10th video in the series. We're going to go ahead and tackle Teams now. Teams is an ever-growing important part of how we actually do business every day. It will be important to you, especially if you become an affiliate marketer or you join our team, because this is where you get a lot of resources. And it can be everything from documents, PowerPoints, PDFs, emails, videos, websites, whatever. There could be a ton of stuff back here that you can share with other people in your group or in your own team in your office, whatever it happens to be. So, Mary, why don't you go ahead and let's talk about Teams and how Teams works.
Okay, again, we're on the home screen when you log into Nowsite. We've covered this home screen. We've covered contacts, and you can hover over this and it will tell you contacts and marketing sometimes. But we're going to go to this group of people and heads together right down here. So we're going to go to the Teams section, and that finally popped open Teams. There's your marketing, there's your contacts, and we're going to go into the Teams section. Now, when you come into the Teams section, you're going to have team content, the ability to chat back and forth. And let me tell you, this feature right here is going to get stronger and stronger. Consider Nowsite right now dusting off this feature because you're going to be able to chat within the system. You can chat on your mobile device right now. You'll get periodic messages in chat from Nowsite, but you can also do a lot more. So as your team manager over here, you're going to be able to create your own team as well as join a team. Now, what that looks like is when you click on join a team, I'm going to type in AI, we care. Okay. We care is one word. AI, that's not AL or A1, it's AI, artificial intelligence. We care how you market your business. So that's the name of our team. You're going to click on join that team. Okay. It's going to be under approval because not everybody who asks gets put in this team. So if you have somebody else that you're working with and you want them to have access to the team, you need to send us a message. Okay. Hit the OK button. Now, if you'd like to join the Nowsite marketing team, okay, the logo is this. This is corporate. You can join that team. You join it automatically. There's not a hold when you join in the team section. Okay, you can see I just joined this team today, and you can see all the people who have just joined Nowsite. Again, you have the ability to chat with anybody within the Nowsite platform. Okay, so now let's go click on that and team content. I know it sounds silly to click and double click, but this is the way you're going to access anything that Nowsite has to distribute. They have the compensation plan as of February 2022. They have the compensation plan in a PowerPoint. You can download logos. You can download social media. How Nowsite is on Instagram, Facebook, customer Nowsite groups, customer affiliates, email campaigns, Sales Pro, do nothing and get leads. Okay, you're going to hear a lot more about that in the next couple of videos. If they had a website here that they wanted you to download to use, it would be in the website section. Okay, but I am going to go ahead and download. All of these are sales flow. This is an image. Those are all images. I'm going to come right back up here to the Nowsite logos, and I'm going to choose the magenta one. Okay, and I'm just going to click on it. You see where it's stored out here? You can copy it and you can also download it to your computer. Okay, when you download it to your computer, then you can upload it in any of your landing pages, landing pages, website pages, email campaigns. You can put this logo anywhere that you need it to be on. You can even do a source document if you want to create your own team. Okay. The other thing I want to do is they don't have a landing page, which is what I was really going for. So I'm going to also come over here to Team Manager. I'm going to add another team to the list of things that I'm part of. Now I'm going to add Nowsite Masters, our Nowsite web sites, and funnels. Okay, make sure you don't get Spanish or German in the team section. Join a team, it's corporate, it's automatically there. So I'm going to come over here and click on this. I'm going to click on team content. I'm going to click back on websites and funnels. So creating a website template, okay, restaurant, bakery, ice cream, steakhouse, pizza. I'm going to go for a pizza, okay? I'm going to download what they have in the team section. I'm going to call it pizza. I-Z-Z-A, P-I-Z-Z-A, P-I-Z-Z-A 2022. Just so I know nobody else has that website right now. Took a guess, nobody else has that. This
You know, Mary.
I do now. This is now going to open that website in your website builder. Isn't that great? You just transferred it. Now you can customize it. Okay. If you want to change the website name, you're welcome to change the website name. Just don't publish it under the other name because they won't find you. Now, if you want to edit the page, you can do so. Okay. Why the owners? Click here and tell us about your story. So if you want our story, click and customize your text. You don't have to use that standard template. You can say our story is, and tell them why your pizza place is the best over the next pizza place 10 streets over. Okay. So you can customize this using the layout of the format that they have already provided. Okay. You can come in here and change the images if you want. You can come in here and change the content if you want. You just have what I call the recipe of your page. Okay. But I also want to take you back one more section, and we use the back in the black section. Don't use your back arrow button. Okay. So you see up here at the top is home, which is this page. Then you have a menu, and then you have a contact, and then you have a blog page. Okay. So if you want to change the page that says menu, you come right over here to the pencil, and now you're editing the menu page. So for a long time, we only had one long page. We couldn't divide up into different pages on our website, but now we can. You can have as many pages up there as you wish. The AI We Care Team page is a product of the product. So again, if you don't want, for example, to hide the blog or show the blog, those three dots over here, you can hide a page, such as what I do every year. So when we get to September 1, July is going to fall off of our team page. September and August will be there. When October comes on, August falls off. September and October are going to be there. Okay. It's not the page is gone forever, because I can still go back and reference that page if somebody needs some information that was 6 months old. Good tip to have. Okay. So if you want to create a page, but you're not ready for the public to see it yet, just hide it. It's perfectly fine. They won't see it. Okay. but that's another way you can do a tip and trick section of this page. Now I'm also going to slide down here, and I don't know if it's on this page. It's not. So I'm going to come over here to the menu. And one of the great things that if you're in a large city or even a small city, it doesn't matter. If they don't have a map to your location, they're probably not going to find you. So you can type in here, and I'm going to just do Main Street in Houston, okay? And that's downtown. If you want it to expand out, all you have to do is the wheel here. Now, if they're already on your page, they're going to use this one in zoom in or zoom out. So you can zoom in as far as you can to get to the front of that location. You can zoom out to show a broad space of it. So if you want traffic to come to your location, please add the map feature to at least one of your pages. Okay? This makes it easy for out of town people. This makes it easy for in-town people. It just makes it simple. If you don't want it to be full screen, you have the choice to make it smaller or larger. Okay? All of these options are yours to choose from in customizing your own landing page. But as easy as it was to pull it out of the team section, open it in your website builder, edit that page. Now that page is yours. And when you go to save and exit, you are still in the marketing tab under websites. And that one happens to be this page's second website, which also creates what? A list, an email list, and the social media, the marketing. If I wanted to add that to it, I'll show you how to add that to it. You see this little button over here that says it's supposed to slide to the right and turn teal, and it is part of your 3-click marketing. Okay. So now I've added a new website. I've added a new list. It can be in a new AI marketing page, so we can drive social media to it as well. And now we can post blogs to that should we choose to. I'm going to take you back one more time over here to the team section. And I'm going to highlight this area right here, shared with me. Okay. If somebody sends you an email campaign, a website, a social image, anything that they want to share with you from within the platform, they may do so. All they need to know is the email address that you sign on to Nowsite with. Okay, so as you've seen me type already, maryebird@att.net is my sign-on to get onto Nowsite. So if I want to have received something, which I received Maddie's, I can now come and download that website. And I'm just going to name it Sugar. Now, what Maddie created as her website, okay, is now over in my platform, and I can edit it any which way I want to. It will not affect her website at all. And for some of you, yes, this is my granddaughter. Okay, I got her to play on the Nowsite system, and she just started 2nd grade. Okay, she pulled in all these pictures. So I promise you, anybody who is looking at these videos, you're going to be able to be a master pro at this, given any time at all, looking at what we produce in the videos and talking to us. Okay, so that your granddaughter or your grandchildren or your children can do this as well. Remember, you're leaving a legacy when you start something, especially in network marketing. So again, you can change the pages, you can change the industry, but the template is there, and that's what you're really trying to duplicate. So if you have a team of salespeople and you want them to have this same message, your duplication just got solved. So what did we do? We solved a problem that you're having and struggling with, and maybe didn't even know it. Okay? So that's how easy you can download a website, change the website, name the website for what you want it to be, generate your list so that you can start assigning people to those different categories. Now you're seeing how the Rubik's Cube is kind of put together with us. How about that, Steve?
Excellent. Okay, so Teams, as you can see, is critically important, especially when you're building out an affiliate marketing team, or you're just interacting with people in your office and making sure that you're all using the platform correctly. With that, we're going to say goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.